So just to recap right quick, I'm explaining a little bit about my stem cell procedure for my rotator cuff tear, and I left you kind of hanging where I was in a lot of pain. So I did begin some range of motion a little bit, and was able to during the day get off my pain medicine. So I'm just going to kind of explain a little bit about the exercise. So sometimes you have to realize that you can do just distal range of motion. You can do biceps. I do my head, neck. I started to do some pendulums a little bit to help with the pain. Tried isometrics, they weren't so good, very light. So we did some of that, but I still could only move my arm about 35 degrees. Begin to become concerned because by day, it said 3 to 5 days I'm supposed to be at baseline.